Hi, welcome to IHM Perth campus. It is very nice to meet you here today and thank you so much for coming in. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yes, I'm from South Korea. I worked as a nurse in my country for 20 years. And I'm now studying in this Master of Nursing in IHM because I wanted to study nursing in Australia.
Right. So you choose IHM to be your education provider. How do you know about us?
Actually, my sister lives in Perth and introduced me to this school.
Right. So far, how do you find this program? Has the academic staff been fantastic? And what about the support team? Have they met your expectations so far?
Yes, this school offers everything I need for my studies, especially all the necessary program preparation for NCLEX and USCI exam.
Wow, right. So you are indeed preparing for the pathways to become a registered nurse in Australia.
Yes, while studying the Master of Nursing, I'm also working for becoming a registered nurse in Australia.
Yep. So you aim to practice in Australia as a nurse.
Yes.
That sounds like a good plan. And we have got 3 campuses in Australia for IHM running the Masters of Nursing program. Tell me, so we have one campus in Melbourne, one in Perth and one in Sydney. Tell me, why did you choose Perth as your study center of study?
Yes, I choose in Perth campus because my sister lived in Perth, and I also like in this city.
You like Perth?
Yes.
Indeed, you have made a right choice.
Yeah.
I do agree with you. Perth is a beautiful city.
Yes.
And do you intend to continue your life in Perth after you have finished your study?
Yes, I want.
You want to? All right. Thank you. I wish you every success in whatever that you want to achieve in this campus, and we have got a lot of success stories for students who have gone through this college studying Masters of Nursing. So all the best to you.
Thank you very much.